Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some country style home decor ideas. Country style home decor emphasizes warmth, comfort and rustic charm. Here are some practical tips to help you create a cozy, stylish country style home decor. Mix old and new. Blend vintage or dipped finds with modern items to keep the space fresh and not overly dated. Example, pair an antique dresser with a modern table lamp. Embrace imperfection. Look for distressed finishes and reclaimed wood. Scratches and wear add authentic character. Don't over-polish. Country style is about comfort, not perfection. Layer textures. Combine soft fabrics, cotton, linen, with raw materials like wood, stone, or metal. Use rugs, drawers, and cushions to add warmth and depth. Use open shelving. Display pretty dishes, jars, or vintage cookware in the kitchen or living area. Keep it tidy, less is more to avoid a cluttered look. Add greenery. Use indoor plants or seasonal flowers to bring life and freshness to your space. Herbs in pots like rosemary or basil add a country kitchen feel. Incorporate personal touches. Display family heirlooms, handmade crafts, or framed botanical prints. Add sentimental value with items that tell a story. Keep lighting warm. Use soft yellow bulbs or Edison bulbs for a cozy, lived-in glow. Consider vintage style sconces or a farmhouse candelier. Stick to a muted color scheme. Stick with neutrals and soft colors like cream, beige, and celeste. Create cozy nooks. Design reading corners, breakfast areas, or window seats with layered cushions and soft lighting. Decorate with purpose. Choose decor pieces that are both beautiful and functional, like oven baskets for storage or wooden crates for organizing. Use bareboard or shiplap. These wall treatments instantly add charm and a farmhouse feel. Great for entryways, bathrooms, or accent walls. Add vintage-inspired wallpaper. Use subtle floral, toile, or gingham patterns on one wall or in small spaces like powder rooms or pantries. Repurpose and upcycle. Turn an old ladder into a blanket rack or a vintage window frame into a wall mirror. Use crates or barrels as side tables or storage. Choose classic country patterns. Buffalo check, stripes, and ticking fabric are timeless. Use them for cushions, curtains, or table runners. Hang wreaths indoors. Use grapevine, eucalyptus, or cotton wreaths as year-round decor on walls or doors. Feature barn doors. Sliding barn doors are not only practical for saving space but also make a bold country-style statement. Create a gallery wall. Use vintage frames, botanical prints, and antique items like keys and utensils. Make shapes and textures for a curated but casual look. Display cookware and utensils. Hang cast iron skillets or copper pots in the kitchen. Mason jars, rolling pins, or enamelware can be decor items too. Mix patterns carefully. Use black earth iron, edged brush, or galvanized metal sparingly for hardware and light fixtures. Avoid overly polished or modern finishes. Go for antique or brushed textures. Use farm-inspired decor. Items like milk cans, washboards, egg baskets, and wooden rolling pins make great accents. Keep it subtle, too much can turn into clutter. Add soft lighting layers. Use table lamps, sconces, and candles to create warm, inviting corners. Dimmer switches are great for controlling mood and ambience. Create a statement with a farmhouse table. A large rustic dining table with mismatched wooden chairs adds authentic charm. Add a linen or burlap runner and a simple centerpiece like a pitcher with wildflowers. Choose neutral window treatments. Go for light, airy curtains in linen, cotton, or muslin. Consider cafe curtains or tie-top drapes for a classic look. Use chalkboards or message boards. A chalkboard in the kitchen or mudroom adds function and personality. You can write quotes, grocery lists, or welcome messages. Incorporate weathered finishes. Think whitewashed furniture, faded paint, or painted metals. Use sandpaper or chalk paint to DIY guest looks. Add seasonal touches. Rotate seasonal decor, pumpkins and plate in the fall, greenery and pine nuts in winter, fresh florals in spring and summer. This keeps the space feeling alive and updated. Decorate with books. Use old hardcovers with worn spines as decor on shelves, coffee tables, or nightstands. Stick them under candles or small vases for a layered look. Incorporate baskets everywhere. Use open or wire baskets for storage in the kitchen, bathroom, or entryway. Great for organizing drawers, firewood, or magazines while adding rustic texture. Use enamelware and crockery. Classic white and blue enamel pitchers like pitchers, mugs, or bowls work great as decor or for serving. Rocks can be used to hold utensils or fresh flowers. Incorporate checkered or taking striped fabrics. Go for curtains, table turners, chair cushions, or even upholstered furniture. It adds a subtle, classic country texture without overwhelming the space. Keep the layout open and flowing. Country homes feel welcoming when the space flows easily. Avoid overfilling with furniture. Let each piece breathe and serve a purpose. Use ladder decor. A vintage wooden ladder can be leaned against a wall to hang blankets, towels, or even string lights. It adds height and rustic charm to a room. Display kitchen staples openly. Store flour, sugar, or pasta in clear glass jars with handwritten labels. Keep wooden spoons, rolling pins, or cutting boards on open shelves or in rocks. Layer window coverings, pair sheer curtains with bamboo shades or linen panels for softness and texture. Thank you for watching the video.